Hello, students. Today we are going to read the poem, The Kites. Let's see what the first stanza says. Up in the air, see the kites fly, like colored birds in the wind-whipped sky. Now, let's see what the poet means by this. The poet is talking about kites flying high in the sky. The kites are colorful, just like birds that have bright feathers. When the poet says, up in the air, it means the kites are soaring high above us, dancing in the wind. The wind is strong and makes the kites move around a lot, almost like they are playing. This makes the sky look very beautiful, filled with these colorful kites, which can remind us of how lovely it is to see birds flying freely. The poet is happy and excited to watch the kites, which adds to the fun feeling of this stanza. I wish I was small and light as air, I would climb on a kite and sail up there. Let's see why the poet wants to be small. The poet wishes to be small and light, just like air. Being small would make it easy to fit on a kite. If the poet could climb onto a kite, he would travel high up in the sky, just like the kites he sees. It's like dreaming of going on an adventure where he could see everything from way up high. The idea of sailing up there makes it sound really fun, and we can imagine how wonderful it would be to play in the sky. Then I would drift upon the paper wings and hear the songs that the wild wind sings. The poet is now imagining flying on the kite. Here, the poet talks about floating on the paper wings of the kite. The kites are made of paper, and when the poet imagines being high up in the sky, it feels like they are flying gently with the wind. The poet also mentions hearing songs that the wind sings. This means that when the wind blows, it can make soft sounds like music. Now, let's see what the poet looks at from up there. What fun it would be to look right down over the park and the rooftops of town. The poet imagines what it would be like to look down from the sky. It would be so much fun. The poet thinks about seeing the park and the rooftops of houses from up high. When you are up in the air, everything looks different. The park would look like a big green patch, and the rooftops would be like small squares. The people below would stand and stare and wish they were me high, high in the air. The poet imagines what the people on the ground would do. They would look up and see the poet flying in the sky, standing on the kite. The people would be amazed and would probably wish they could be up there too, feeling the joy of flying. This shows how being high up makes the poet feel special and unique. It's like being a superhero who can do something amazing that others can't. The poet expresses a feeling of happiness from being able to fly while others look on with admiration. This creates a sense of adventure and dreams, making us think about how much fun it would be to explore the skies. Now, let's learn what this poem is all about. The poem explores the wonderful world of a child's imagination, where simple things like kites feel magical. It also talks about the feeling of freedom, as the child dreams of flying high and escaping the limits of daily life. The poem shows how the child wishes to see the world from above, looking down at the park and rooftops, imagining a new and exciting view of life. The poem teaches us to use our imagination and see the world with wonder and endless possibilities. It also reminds us how important freedom is, not just in moving around but also in thinking and dreaming. The poem shows that people always wish to see things in new ways and have exciting experiences, even if only in their dreams. Here are some new words. Whipped, to be moved quickly and forcefully, much like the wind moves things. Longing, to wish for something with all your heart. Sail, to move smoothly through the air or water. Adventure, an exciting experience that is often risky or uncertain. Rooftops, the top surfaces of buildings. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev. to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more. Thank you.